Hello students. Today we have discussed about sign convention for spherical lens. It is most important topic to calculate sums. Okay, so here you can see it is a convex lens. Now here I put the one object. The name is AB and height is small h. So it is object. Now after refracted the rays image is here we get, so it is image, the name is a dash b dash and the height is small h dash. Now here you can see it is a direction of the incident ray. Okay, so its line is indicate direction of the incident ray. So now we have start our sign convention. So first the origin O is optical center. Okay, in all the lens optical center E is known as a origin, while we measure all the distance with respect to origin. In mirror we measure all the distance with respect to pole. Now here we measure all the distance with respect to origin O. So now first we put always object is left side of the lens. Okay, so here you can see it is a left side of the lens. So always we put the object is left side of the lens. Now always it is perpendicular to the principal axis. Okay, so it is principal axis, it is an imaginary line. So always we put the object is perpendicular to the principal axis. Now we have discussed first about the height. So always upward to the principal axis we take height is positive. Okay, upward to the principal axis, or in general we can say that above the principal axis height is positive. Okay, so here object height is positive. Now we have discussed about the downward to the principal axis. So we measure all the height downward to the principal axis is negative. Okay, negative. So here image height is negative. Now we have discussed about distance. So first thing, here we measure all the distance with respect to optical center O. So here you can say the U is denoted as a object distance, F is denoted as a focal point, and V is denoted as a image distance. So now first point distance always we measure to the optical center O. Now here you can see it is a direction of the incident ray. So direction of the incident ray we measure all the distance is positive. In general we can say that on the right side of the lens we measure all the distance is positive. So now here you can say V, it means image distance is positive. Now opposite to the direction of the incident ray. Okay, opposite to the direction of the incident ray, it means like that. Okay, so we measure all the distance is negative. It means left side of the lens we measure all the distance is negative. So here we can say that u, it means object distance is negative. Now students, you can see here two focal point. First one is here and second one is here. So here you must be remember one thing, and it is the focal length is always constant. It means for convex lens, focal length is always positive, and for concave lens, focal length is always negative. Okay, so it is a sign convention for lenses. Here two things, first one is a height and second one is a distance. Here you can see that upward to the principal axis, you can say that it is positive, downward it is negative. Left side of the lens distance measured is negative, and right side of the lens measured the distance is positive. If you like this video, then share and subscribe. Thank you.